Hello, GURPS Collectibles here. Today I am going to do another 2017 Optic Football Blaster Box. Got this at Walmart here. It says $14.98. Guaranteed one memorabilia card, and look for two pig parallels per box. I think this is my third box I tried here on YouTube for you, so bust this open and see what we get. Looking for Mahomes. Got our 6-packs here. Okay, we got Sherman, Carr. We got an insert of Jordan Howard. And rated rookie of Zay Jones. Hearns, Wilson. And we got a pink parallel of Carlos Henderson, rated rookie. And a TJ Watt rookie card. Miller, Lynch, and we got an insert of illusions of Myles Garrett and Von Miller. And rated rookie of Deshaun Kaiser. Bryant, Matthews, and we got a blue parallel of Crowell. That is numbered out of 149. Very nice. And a Robert Davis rookie card. Okay, we got two more packs here. We got Gronk. We got our memorabilia here. And oh, nice memorabilia card here of Cooper Kupp. Too bad he's hurt. You know, he was doing pretty good, and the injuries came up to him. That is sweet. And we got a Prism of McCown. And we got a rated rookie of Dalvin Cook. Okay, last pack. Austin, Cobb. Pink is Bucky. Hodge. Okay, I don't know how to say his name. Sorry. And a rookie card of Taco. And that'll do it for this break. So we got a nice little jersey card here. And then of course we have one numbered card of Crowell, and then of course in our two pig parallels. So overall, not a bad box, you know. No Patrick Mahomes this time, but we got a Dalvin Cook rookie. So and then of course I'm happy with the Cooper Kupp jersey card. That's always a nice one to hit. So either like, comment, or subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will be back with another video soon.